Huaao Holding Group, located in Foshan, China, has 8 factories around the world, realizing the layout concept of local production and local delivery with an annual output value of over $100 million. 32 years of experience in manufacturing clean materials, focusing on one-stop engineering services for clean rooms. We have 32 years of experience in sandwich panel production, established our own production line, and conduct strict testing on each batch of products. We have manual sandwich panel production lines, machine-made sandwich panel production lines, clean door and window production lines, clean aluminum profile production lines, magnesium oxide board production lines, clean room equipment and floor production lines, and spray processing departments. We also have 5 major center management systems: Marketing Center, Procurement Center, R&D Center, Quality Center, and Financial Center, which reflects that Huaao has a more professional management process and can produce better and more efficient products. The power of focus has enabled Huaao to obtain dozens of national utility model invention patents and international certifications such as CE and UL. With a rigorous attitude, Huaao passed the fire detection report of the National Fireproof Building Materials Quality Supervision and Inspection Center. At the beginning of 2020, a new coronavirus outbreak that shocked the world broke out. As the main supplier of clean rooms for hospitals such as Wuhan Vulcan Mountain Hospital and Lishan Mountain Hospital, Huaao Company was certified by China SOS as an emergency rescue building materials production base.